Hello students, many concepts in mathematics can easily be understood with the help of activities. Here we shall perform an activity to obtain formula for area of a circle. In order to perform this activity, we require some material like cardboard, thick sheet of paper, pair of scissors, adhesive, marker, ruler, pencil and geometry box with instruments. Now, to begin with, let us take a cardboard and fix a sheet of paper on this. Now, let us consider a circle of radius say 3.5 centimeters. Now, we take a thread and paste it along the circle in this manner. We paste the thread along the circular region in the form of concentric circle without leaving any gap in between. Simultaneously, we fix the same length of the thread along the horizontal line. Again, when we make a concentric circle with the thread, we take equal length and place it adjacent to the thread placed below. And thus, after we go on filling up, we get this type of circle, and slowly we see that on arranging these concentric circles of various lengths, we get a triangular region. So, students, we have seen that we have arranged the threads in the form of concentric circles inside the circular region without leaving any gaps, and simultaneously we have placed these threads horizontally here, and we have seen that after arranging these threads, we inside the innermost thread forms the topmost layer here, and as a result we have a triangular region. Now, because the size and number of threads used in both the cases are same, area of the circle is equal to area of the triangle. So, area of the triangle we know is half of base into height. Here base we will be taking as 2 pi r, as the length of the thread here is equal to the circumference of the circle. So, half into 2 pi r into r, as we had taken height also equal to the radius of the circle. So, our formula for the area of circle becomes pi r square. Now, let us verify this mathematically. We know that area of the triangle is half of base into height. So, base was 22 centimeters and height was equal to the radius, that is 7 upon 2 centimeters. So, we get here 77 upon 2. Thus, area will be equal to 38.5 centimeter square. Now, let us see what is the area of the circle here. Formula is pi r square. The value of pi we are taking as 22 upon 7 and radius was 7 upon 2. So, 7 upon 2 here on calculations we get 7 gets cancelled and 2, 11 times is 22. So, we have 77 upon 2 here also, and thus the area of circle is 38.5 centimeter square. Thus, we have seen here that area of circle is equal to area of triangle. So, students, You can perform the same activity with circle of any other radius.